Alright, so this is a video on these people stealing my projects. This video was published 4 days ago. Yahoo Finance, Warren Buffett's warning about AI deepfake videos of him and why gold prices may have. That's the title of the video, and as you can see, it's published 4 days ago. I started working on an forensics accounting AI 2 weeks ago. These people are all up in my business, stealing my projects, stealing, robbing everything from me. This is all the code that DeepSeek generated for me on this building a forensics accounting AI system. It's a stock trading analysis AI agent. It's what it's supposed to be, is a stock trading analysis AI agent. Hello, DeepSeek. This is a project we're collaborating on, and this is for reference what we are going to attempt to create now. We'll generate a script, data, ingestion layer, DeepSeek analysis on Chesapeake Energy and how the CEO, Aubrey McClendon, almost drove the company bankrupt, and with bad management, and how to identify these behaviors in other businesses to avoid them, a guide in forensics accounting for trading stocks. And it's a project that I'm supposed to be getting paid a couple $1 million on, at least $10 million cash up front, 10% on profits. $10 million cash up front, all taxes paid, just for tinkering around with it, just for doing what I've done already. I'm supposed to get paid $10 million cash and get a contract signed to get paid 10 to 15% on profits off of it. And a forensics accounting business executive management stock trading AI agent. I started this 2 weeks ago. They don't have the date on it. It's Tuesday, November 11th. I was hoping this had the date on when we started the project. I started doing this 2 weeks ago, and these people are all up in my business. And they published this video 4 days ago on Yahoo Finance. There you go. You can see it's 4 days ago. And then I downloaded it. Just so happened to watch it the other day, 2 or 3 days ago. I'm just now getting around to being able to. Just now getting around to being able to record this video and get back to working on a little software project. Because it's been freezing cold knowing
As a financial
I don't have access to Wi-Fi to actually be able to sit down and do these things 24/7.
Jackson, obviously we saw managing
director. They're talking about my AI agent in this video is what they're doing. They're letting me know that they're all up in my business. This guy has a plaque of Kentucky in the background on his wall.
As well as every other part.
See, it's 39 minutes in the video.
Sure, Ben, great to see you. Thank you, sir.
This is these people all up in my business, monitoring my network traffic, letting me know they're all up in my business, stealing from me, stealing and robbing from me.
Who's actually cashing in here? From enterprise adoption and cloud competition to M&A that could reshape the landscape. We're navigating how to play the software space with the Yahoo Finance playbook.
I live in Kentucky. I'm living in Kentucky.
Managing director
there it is. This guy's got a plaque in Kentucky on the wall behind him.
Markets, Jackson.
That's these little games these people like to play.
There with that AI theme, Jackson. Obviously we see consumers experimenting and adopting, Jackson. I'm curious, what are you seeing in the enterprise, though? A space you know very well.
People are scumbags all up in everybody's business, and they're monitoring people's network traffic, stealing everybody's stuff.
One is that some enterprise software players are quickly becoming some AI hardware players, right? So Microsoft with their Azure business and Oracle with their Oracle Cloud Infrastructure business are into the AI infrastructure game. And then the rest of the enterprise, the companies like Salesforce and Adobe or
this is where you're starting to talk about
they are trying to sell enterprise AI agents or enterprise AI software and embed them into their current products to then go and sell to customers.
How do you, Jax, I'm just curious, is it tough as a financial analyst to try and distinguish, okay, this is genuine AI monetization
Anybody
versus
watching this video is
marketing
under
fluff?
non-disclosure and non-compete contract.
Yes.
I don't care whether you
Yes,
think
it
you got to
is.
sign an actual physical contract.
Because we
As soon as you
are
watch this
subject to
video,
what
anybody that's even
companies want
thinking
to
about
disclose,
stealing and
what
robbing
they,
from it,
you know,
gonna get
want
sued into
to
bankruptcy
tell
and
us.
thrown in
But,
prison
you know, I
and
think
worse.
that it all comes out in the numbers. If a company is telling you that their AI products are on fire and yet their revenue growth continues to decline or decelerate, you can make your own.
So anyways, back to my project here. I started working on this project 2 weeks ago, building a forensics accounting, collaborating with DeepSeek on building this project. Forensics accounting AI agent. Forensics accounting, business executive management, stock trading analysis AI agent. And I haven't been able to work on it every day because it's been snowing or raining every day. These are all of the steps I'm going through building this little stock trading analysis AI agent. That's the code. More code, more code. I'm having to do this on my phone, just using a phone. And IDE SDKs I can download and use with my phone. There's me asking about what's the best SDK, IDE, be able to use on my phone. And I'm getting stuck on a Python. The Python software language is real touchy. I'm being stuck on one stupid little code snippet. It's complaining that the return is outside of function. And that's what's holding me back on finishing this up right now. But then I see this video. I work on the user interface. I had to type in the extra description to actually add a user interface. It didn't add the user interface into the first iteration of code. I had to ask it to integrate a user interface into it so you could click on the input box to put in the ticker symbol and actually send requests to the SEC's Edgar database to get their financial reports. Like I keep saying, anybody that's watching this video, if they even think about trying to steal my code, they're going to get sued into. If they even think about trying to steal the concept for the project, they're going to get sued into bankruptcy and thrown in prison and worse. These people have been stealing and robbing everything from me for 20 years, 30 years. And some other sample companies to test. Generate the Edgar API integration script. That's the script to make the calls to the Edgar database and all the pertinent requests. I've been working on this project for 2 weeks now. This will be the third week. It's Tuesday, November 11th. This will be the third week into this project. And then boom, I get this freaking video on Yahoo Finance. These people letting me know they're all up in my business already, stealing my projects. I need a bunch of lawyers that ain't on no BS. That'll do this pro bono and go after all these people that are stealing my information. Legal disclaimer. How can I help? Blah, blah, blah. On to the next video. Like I say, anybody ain't no BS, they'd be willing to pay me $10 million cash up front. All taxes paid plus sign a contract, get paid 10% to 15% on profits on this project, just as it is right now.